Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to create a newsletter in Beehiiv. Now we're in our Beehiiv dashboard, and on the left sidebar you have some icons here. Now if you hover over it, you're going to see the names of these icons. However, to make it easier, we're going to click on the arrow pointing to the right, and this is going to expand the menu. Now right here, to create a newsletter, we're going to go over to Start Writing and click on it. And right here, we could simply type anything we want in our newsletter. And on the right, we have some options also. For example, we have the title to the post. We can say new post. And it's also going to have the subtitle. And take note that this title and this subtitle can be shown in your email as we have it toggled on. If you wanted to only show the title, we can toggle the subtitle off. And this is not going to show in the email. You could put the author, guest authors, and any other information which is best for your job. And right at the top here, you have some other tabs such as the email tab, the website tab, SEO, and delivery. All these tabs serve as tools for you to change and customize your newsletter. Now, something else we can do is to type /. And when we type /, we can see some options here to make it even cooler. For example, you can add an image, you can add a block code, a table, a button, or anything that makes sense to you. You have it here categorized in basics, headings, embeds, dynamic tags, and premium. So all these tools are available for you to use in order to make your newsletter attractive. And after making the designs you like, you can come over here and click on preview. Now, when you click on preview, you're going to have a view of what you've done so far. And this helps you to see how others receiving it will be seeing your newsletter. So say, for example, we have the / and we want to make a heading 2 or a heading 1. We could say new post. So we could have new post for newcomers. And if you want to make any particular changes, you could go ahead and highlight it. And once you release the mouse, you're going to see some options for making it bolder, italicized, underlined, etc. You could also add a link to this title. So with all these features, you could go ahead and create a newsletter in Beehiiv.